What's going on, everyone? My name's Ebby from VZ. Stop it. And welcome back to another vlog. I always say this, I know vlogs have been coming out pretty late, but we're out here, you know, repping with the team. We got some of the boys over here and stuff.
Can I show your fit?
You know, this isn't the complete, but still got all the gear in here. Got the breakfast of champs around there, the new mask, the helmet, and then, you know, definitely have to rock that vest. Then I was able to finally put the suppressor on my gun. So yeah, it's gonna be lots of fun. Excited. We're gonna be doing some search and destroy games today. Our team Biohazard against other teams, like 3 other teams. I forget the names. See how it goes, and let's cue the intro.
I'm sure Mike and regulators guys and everybody has circulated the rules right by now. In case you're unfamiliar, we're trying a new game mode today. The idea with this game mode is to create a competitive Milsim format, something that bridges the gap a little bit between our big Milsim events and what they're doing with like Student QB. If everything goes well today and everyone enjoys the format, the idea is to run these once every month or two.
This game is live in 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! Go, go, go!
Beautiful. Oh, hey! So our respawns, we just start back from the back, eh?
Yeah.
I got 2 kills. Wasn't too bad.
Oh. Alright, let's go.
On your 6.
That's right. You want to push up the bus?
Yeah. We're gonna push left or right?
I'm pushing left. I got one. Alpha is pushed back. We're by the bus.
Should we push up?
Yeah, yeah. Right side, right side.
On your 6. Oh, it's a hit. We got some straight down on this right. Oh shit.
So sad.
Bro, I know I got that fucking. Bro, there's no way.
There's so many guys, dude.
Did you see that? Okay, you saw it.
Yeah, dude. Especially with that many fucking rounds in the air.
Alright, check it out, fellas.
This is an open ass field.
Put the poop in.
Oh yeah.
Bomb site A. Bomb site B is in this building.
A and B. Alright, cool.
You guys got that?
We're going?
Yeah.
Oh shit. How's it looking for me to push up?
I want to see one guy all the way at the top of the hill. I can't range things.
Fuck, I want to push up, man. Is he still right there next to that green box?
Yeah, I see him, but the net's covering me.
Oh, I see him. Yeah, I see you, buddy. Fuck, I don't want to stay here forever.
Alright. David, you good on this side?
Suppress it.
What you say? That it's all for the best.
Oh. Hey. Yeah, I was way too close to that.
Got UAV. Man. Let's try and get up to that wagon.
Okay.
Oh, say less.
Push up, push up.
Tango down.
Oh shit. Alpha, where you at? Alpha, watch that top side left hill.
Top side of the hill, left side.
Behind the bush. Oh, that was so close. They almost got me.
Got one sitting in sniper tower.
No, there's two sniper tower. Two sniper tower. Ah, fuck. Hey! Damn. It was like on my left side, right underneath the vest. Right underneath, so it could have been someone from those hills over there. Or you never know, even a friendly fire, but I don't know. I gotta reload a little bit.
Biohazard, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Game is 5, 3, 2, 1, go!
Fuck you!
Woo!
Almost got it.
Let him out!
Good shit, bro.
Good shit, almost,
did that. Yeah, we were close right there, man. Fuck. Yeah, that's some G shit, man. Rush the fuck out of that.
Whoever wants to go far left with me, that's it.
I'm down.
Go.
Pushing up, left.
Now push up on left, don't let him push up.
Come on, left.
Move.
Hey, Mike, watch how we went.
Yeah.
Give me some more cover fire. I'm going back in there to get my grenade launcher. All right, go.
Oh shit. Yeah, they have that left side pinned. They have that left side fucking pinned, bro. Yeah, they're not even peeking back.
Woo!
Yeah, see? Okay, so
Oh,
we
we're
need to
looking
push
on
up
this
to
side.
the yeah, they're fucking.
We're pinned.
Hey, we're gonna have to
If you want, you could push up, and then I'll cover fire you.
Cover me.
move back. We gotta sneak around.
Yeah. Give me some suppressive
You gonna
fire.
run from over there?
I'm going straight in there.
All right.
Go, we're going go back around.
Does BB
Now.
still flying? Go.
Woo!
Is it clear? Mike. Fuck, I'm by myself. Oh shit. Reloading. Oh shit. Oh.
Go!
Tango down. Good night.
That's a hit. Come on, man. Call that shit.
Hey, window here.
Oh, hey! Fuck! Shee! I'm kidding. Shee! Yeah, anyways, this is my third time recording this outro. Because honestly, we were supposed to go get some uka, some sushi. And then, you know, they're like, oh yeah, well, we're not really taking any more like walk-ins right now. We're like, what? You guys are closed for another 3-4 hours. And they're like, yeah. Anyway, fuck that. So instead, I'm gonna take her to this nice little childhood place. I mean, none of these gates and stuff were right here before. Like, this is new. You used to be able to drive through that, but I think that's for them. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna go. I'm gonna show her some Thai food, not just Thai food, but best Thai cuisine. Shouts out. Anyways, I used to come here a lot as a kid, and every time it was me or my siblings' birthday, they would get us like special desserts, like special order, and have them ready. Yeah, I'm gonna show her what's good. Oh yes, and also, you know, today airsofting was a really good day. But anyways, yeah, overall good day, lots of fun. This is gonna be our last event before the Milsum. You guys will be seeing the Milsum later on in one of the vlogs. But that's gonna be lots of fun. It's like a 3-day event or something like that. Yeah, definitely if you guys want to see more airsoft videos, go ahead, leave it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. You know, I already respond to all comments, but for now, peace out. We're gonna go enjoy some dinner, and I'm gonna show her some Thai food for the first time. Excited? Yeah, she's excited. All right, laters.